Zhiyun Smooth 4 Standing Orbit Shot. In this video we're going to show you how to achieve this shot, but first we're going into the ZY Play app to change a setting. Once you are connected with your gimbal, open the menu and go to settings, then go into camera mode and choose original. This changes the layout to the old original one where you can access more settings. Now press the gear on the top right, this opens the settings window, and now we go to the PTZ tab to change the follow rate of the pan. We want to change it from 80 to 100 so you have a more accurate control. Make sure to save this profile before you exit the settings. Personally, I like to add the mini dual handle to give me more accurate control when rotating my gimbal around an object. What you're actually doing is moving the gimbal from side to side while panning and trying to keep the object in the middle of the framing. Also shift your weight from one leg to the other so you have a slightly more reach. Now go out there and try to capture an orbiting shot with your own Zhiyun Smooth 4. That was mainly it for this video. I hope you guys found this video quite helpful. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button here below and also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!